So we know that out of the box needs a simple plan, a plan that is clear, easy, and calm for all of us. The book in chapter 6 says that a good firm works well when every role is defined, so we need a functional structure. This means that we have to split our work into four small groups. So the first one handles the daily work in the spaces. The second one shares our idea with people. One group looks after money and numbers, and the last group manages the app and our digital tools. So this style helps us move in a team with no stress and no confusion. So we also need some soft and open way to work, and we need to talk, we share, and we help, and we make choices as a team. So this style fits our idea very well. And we think our project grows faster, so we must stay open, light, and ready for new ideas.
Let's talk about SWOT analysis. SWOT is a tool that helps us read both the inside and the outside of the firm. It separates what we control, so our strengths and weaknesses, from what comes from the environment, so the opportunities and the threats. This gives us a clear picture of our strategic capability. Our strengths are the internal things we do well. So for out of the box, we have low cost, thanks to our containers. Our spaces are flexible, and students really need places to study and to work. So we already start with the strong value for our users. But we also have weaknesses, which are internal limits. We are a new business, so few people know us yet, and we need strong promotion to build visibility and trust. Outside the firm, we see good opportunities. More and more students look for quiet, modern study spaces. Digital learning is growing, and universities are open to partnerships. So all of these create spaces for us to expand. And then there are threats, things we cannot control. So other firms could copy the idea because it's simple and attractive, and rules about using public spaces can change. So this may affect our locations. So what does the SWOT analysis tell us? It shows where we shine, where we must improve, and where the risks are. This helps us make smarter choices and build a strategy that fits both our strengths and the world outside.
FoBA's 5 forces help us understand how attractive a market is. They show the pressures coming from competitors, customers, suppliers, substitutes, and new entrants. We used this model to see where our business stands. Let's take a look at our market forces. Competitors. We don't face direct competition from other container-based study hubs, so competitive pressure is low. New entrants. However, our idea is relatively easy to copy. That means new competitors could enter quickly. So this force is high. Supplier power. We depend on suppliers for containers and for coffee. They have some negotiating power, but we can switch if needed. So we rate this medium. Customer power. Our main customers, students, have many alternatives for studying. Their ability to choose gives them medium to high power. Substitutes. Students can always go to libraries, bars, or co-working spaces. These substitutes create moderate pressure. To stay competitive, we need a clear brand identity and great service. And because new entrants are our biggest risk, ongoing innovation will keep us ahead.
Now I'll explain our strategy and how it connects with the rest of the project. Strategy means making long-term choices that guide the whole firm. It must fit our structure, support our goals, and create real value, not only for the business but also for the people who use our spaces. For us, this strategy is simple but very focused. First, we offer a clear and essential service, calm, flexible spaces that students can truly use. Second, we build a strong community, a place where people feel welcome, safe, and involved. And third, we grow digitally. Our app, our bookings, and our data helps us improve every month. Everything we do stays reasonable with the structure we chose, the mission of Out of the Box, and the real needs of the students. This is how we create long-term value step by step.
A smart space for a smart future. Out of the Box uses simple rules from chapters 6 and 7, a clear structure, a deep view of our strengths, a full study of our market, and a strategy that helps us grow with people. We build value for students, cities, and our team.